Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create and manage tags. You will also see how to use them in the agent portal across tickets, contacts, contact groups, chats, and knowledge base articles. If your team uses inconsistent tags like refund, refunds, and refund request, it can lead to confusion in your reports and filters. Tags help by providing your team a shared set of labels to quickly find, group, and track related work. In BoldDesk, tags are centrally managed by admins and then used by agents across different modules, so everyone stays aligned. Tags are organized into 3 sections: General for tickets and contacts, Knowledge Base for KB articles, and Chat for adding tags to live chat conversations. Each section lists all tags along with their details in a table view. Here you can see the tag name, created date, and created by information. First, let me show you the permissions required to manage tags in BoldDesk. In the Roles and Permissions section, enable the Tag Management permission when creating a new role or editing an existing one. I'm opening the Support Manager role. Next, go to the Admin module and enable the Manage Tags permission. This gives the role the ability to create and maintain the global list of tags. Next, tag usage can be controlled separately inside each module. In the Tickets module, choose whether users can create new tags from a ticket or remove existing ones. In the Chat module, the role can add existing tags with the Edit Other Fields permission and allow creating or removing tags in conversations by enabling the respective options. For the knowledge base, enable the Edit Tags permission so the role can add or remove tags on articles. With the permissions enabled, let me show you how to create tags. Start by navigating to the Tags listing page by selecting it from the left side panel. Here, the General section opens by default. I click Create Tag, enter the tag name Finance, and click the Create button. Now, when agents in my support team come across a finance-related ticket, they can use this tag in that ticket to enable cleaner collaboration. If you are creating a replacement request ticket and you want to organize it as well, make sure to create a new tag when setting up the ticket. Similarly, you can create tags under the Knowledge Base and Chat sections. Tags under the General section can be used across tickets, contacts, and contact groups, whereas tags under the Knowledge Base and Chat sections can only be used in their respective modules. To add tags to a KB article, head over to the Knowledge Base module, open an article, and choose your preferred tags. If you wish to add tags to any chat conversation, open the Chat module and click on any recent chats. In the right side panel, scroll down to the Tags option and add your preferred tags. Next, let me show you how to edit and manage tags. To rename a tag, click the Edit icon, type in a new name, and then click Update. The tag name changes everywhere it is used without breaking any existing associations across tickets, messages, contacts, contact groups, or activities. You can delete any tag by clicking the More Options icon and choosing Delete. The tag is removed instantly from every associated record. To see the usage of each tag, select the View Details option. This opens a dialog that lists the usage of this tag across tickets, messages, agents, contacts, contact groups, and activity. If you want this tag to be removed from a specific section, select it and click Remove. Tags make it easy to search, categorize, prioritize, and organize work across the entire support system, whether it's tickets, chats, contacts, or knowledge base content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more BoldDesk tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.